Okay, guys, this will be courtesy of a couple of your classmates like Miguel, who's been working really hard in my IM3 class. So I really appreciate that. At least doing some effort, which I appreciate. And I noticed Miguel was stuck on multiplying complex numbers a little bit. So I said, you know what, this is a great opportunity for not only him, but you guys to review this with me. So let's get started here. So on Khan Academy, what I did to find it quicker, I actually just searched it up. Multiplying complex numbers. And I went ahead and clicked on the first one, which was a video. Okay. But of course, I stopped the video. And because I know, see, this is the way how Khan Academy is structured, guys. Once you find a concept or subject matter you're studying, right, generally Mr. Khan starts with a video. But as you can see, next to the video is a section with some notes that you can look through. There's these practice sets. This is the one that Miguel struggled with a little bit. Here's the video I actually initially clicked on. It's embedded with another set of practice problems and another set of notes. So this is a good quality set of Khan Academy stuff here, right? Now remember, guys, you don't have to watch the videos. I need you to practice the concepts. I've actually already taught you this, by the way, right? And if you have to, look at the notes. And then if you need to, look at the videos, right? Because I know the videos can be a little bit long or boring. Let's be honest. It's better to look at and just do the work and just go through some notes. Take some notes, right? But anyways, so here's what I decided to do is we're going to do this in the video. But before we do this in the video, I went ahead and assigned all four of these relevant parts of this section to you. So it should be right near the top of your assignment page, okay? So you could just click and get right to it. But anyways, speaking of which, as you can see, they're right here. Those are the four I just recently assigned. I decided to give it the end date of April 30th. Now, don't forget to try the area to sector problems that I assigned earlier in the week, okay? And again, don't forget to do those special right triangles that one of your classmates was struggling with as well. But that's what I'm going to start doing. I'm going to start looking at some of your work, guys. And when I see you struggling on something, instead of just leaving it hanging there, I'm going to go through it with you. All right? And so that's another way, since some of you guys don't want to communicate with me, you're shy or whatever, right? Yeah, sure. You're just too lazy to communicate with me. But anyways, let's get going here. So this is part, again, of Complex Numbers Basic. There's another practice set you ought to try, too, after this video on your own for now. But anyways, here we go. They give me this problem here. I need to take 15. I need to distribute 15, right? So I'm going to take 15 times 4i plus, watch your signs, there's a plus right there, 15 times with 2. That's going to give me 60i plus 30, right? But guys, look at the directions. And this is the way you have to get used to with state testing too. When you fill in blanks, they're going to expect a certain format with some of their answers. So if I put in 60i plus 30, it's going to mark me wrong. It wants it to be in standard complex form, which means the number first, then the I second. A plus BI, as we say. So once I typed that in, I clicked, I got the correct answer. Pause the video if you need to. All right, let's take a look at this one here. This time we're distributing 13i. 13i times the 1. There's a minus. Watch your minus. 13i times 5i. All right. 13i times 1, of course, is just simply 13i. I have a minus again. What's 13i times 5i, though, is 65i squared. Do you guys remember what I squared means? I squared is really a -1. So, I squared is really a -1. So, -1 times a -65 means +65. Now, should I type in my answer like that? No. I want to put the 65 first and the 13i second. That's standard form for complex numbers. Okay, pause the video if you need to. All right, let's take a look at this one. 3 times 3, of course, is 9. 3 times 20i is 60i with a plus in the middle. This one is already done for you, basically. Click on that, and you're done. Now, guys, there's at least 1 or 2 more you need to do before you complete this section. I want you to do that on your own. Here, of course, you can see I got 4 out of 4 right. Now, guys, remember, if you click on this, this should send you back to your assignment page. If you click on done, what that's going to do is it's going to put you in the next section here, most likely. Okay? But again, here's the assignment page. What I'm hoping you guys do now is click start and try some more trickier complex number multiplying problems. Okay? Again, that's at the end of the video. I just want to make sure again there. Get used to that. So I'm putting a lot of pages in here. But guys, there's a little intro to multiplying complex numbers again. And the big thing is, I remind you to write your answers in standard form, A plus BI. The number goes first, the I number goes second. See you around.